It was a rainy day. Really now. Oh, it is rain. There is rain. That's a vehicle. Specifically a car. Bro. And people call me dumb? Oh. And that's a... Someone had blocked the biggest mistake of my life. Biggest mistake. Damn! The only thing I could remember before waking up in that place was being in his car. Really now. You are dead. Who was that? Who? Oh, is there a pentagram right there? Are you serious? There's two! Bro. Why did I play this game? Bro, about to end it. Oh no, I just wished it was gonna be a cutscene the whole time. I need to find a way out. Thanks, genius. Control is crouch and stand up. Oh, damn. Damn! This could have been me! Yo, thank the freaking killer that we ain't, you know, that wasn't me. F to zoom. Why? Oh crap, I wasn't looking at the controls. If you see this hand, you can interact. Left mouse button. Yeah, I got you. It's locked. Bitch. Alright, well, you know what is. We got a flashlight. Everyone needs some light in their lives. Or life. Alright, cool. E is to flee. Are we gonna, like, turn into a flea? Wait, okay, wait. Oh, wait. Hold on. E is to flash. What do you... I can't read this handwriting. Hold on. Okay. Light. Light. The light. What? E dash flee with an S. E dash fleas. Dash H left. Alright. I'm just gonna spam every... Yeah, F is to zoom. Left click is to interact. Okay, why is it actually... No, never mind. I thought I got it. Okay, never mind. I can't read this, bro. That's definitely an E. Q W E R T Y U I O P A S D F G H J K L Z X C V B N M. Okay, whatever. Oh, E to flee here? Nope. Oh, but now you're gonna give me the option. What happened? Flashlight. Appreciate it. What does that mean? What? Just let me out, bro. What are you yapping about? Okay, pressing every button on my keyboard again. E, H. You can use arrow keys for some reason. That's dumb. Hold on. Alright. So apparently my game got bugged or something. Look at this. Why is it every time I crouch it like... Okay, so apparently that's saying E for flashlight. I don't know why it's happening every time I crouch, but hold on. Oh my lord! Oh my, who actually is that? There's two pentagrams, and there's like some drunk guy with a bag over his head. That reminds me of like freaking Friday the 13th. Bro, the second one. Yeah. Okay, now I can move. And I also realized these are eyeballs, which I didn't know that. If you want to have a closer look, press F. Oh, that's why it didn't work, probably, but for E. Because what? Because I was trying to press F before it even showed me the thing, and it didn't work. but now it does, because technically that didn't give me the tutorial yet. Yeah, there we go. Haha, we did it. Surely, no, wait, we gotta make it look, no, we gotta make it look, you know, normal. Even though, you know, it probably won't be normal. Yeah, okay, whatever, we good. If someone imprisoned this vent, I swear to God, I'm quitting this game forever. You hear that? Why would I do that? Oh, okay. Yo, hold on. Is that a cobweb? Ew! Spider web! Ew! Why do they call them cobwebs? Like, that's in like a different country or something? Do they call spiders cobs? corn on the spider. That shit's corny. Oh! Oh. Alright. In case you need it. Shift to sprint. What you mean in case I need it? Alright, we good. Is that stamina? That's a stamina meter. Oh, shit. Oh, a wrong button. I keep pressing E. That's a red light. Did I just get shot? I just got shot. Oh, I'm dumb. My foot. Ew. Okay. Oh, damn. Oh, Jeffrey Dahmer. Okay. What? Is this the Bible? That is the Bible. Okay, I swear I haven't actually watched it. I just randomly got the key for that. Alright, we good. So we're not gonna shut the door behind us. Alright. Well, I'm not one of those YouTubers that's gonna say, oh my God, tomato juice. No, that's just straight up blood. Amputee, alright. Someone had cancer. Shut up, bro. Okay, I can't read that. There's a bloody handprint. Damn, that's a big hand! That's a head. Which head? I keep pressing E, bro. Alright. Got some. How many wheelchairs do we need, bro? Okay. This monster or killer, whatever you want to call him. Better not be faster than me. Even when I'm running. What's up, bro? You got a problem? Why is there a toilet? Why is it making that noise? Help! What's up, fellas? Damn, that's a lot of boxes! Bro. Bro, I'm gonna... Oh, that's a foot. That's 2 foot. What? Bro, I'm willing to bet that those boxes are all filled with, like... Let me in. Let me in. No! No! What the hell? Bro, this place is haunted. Mom? Okay. Who took a fat shit? What is this? Bro. Oh, what? I got more scared of the fact that there was dripping in the toilet. Why is it making that noise? He's watching. Alright. Run. Take off your skin. Come on, man. No. Alright. This guy's gonna bust through the door and I'm gonna run away. Or this one. Bye, guys. We're going upstairs. Okay. I haven't seen... Wait. That's a chainsaw. Why is this door locked? What? Okay, bro. Are we living in the Matrix? How the fuck? Okay. I'm gonna leave that door open. You can't even close it. Never mind. I don't have a choice. Alright. Yeah, I literally don't have a choice. Alright. Hey, guys. Bro, why do I always pick the door that doesn't open? Oh. You good? Yeah, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna get chased. Yeah, I already know. Never mind. The whole freaking world changed. Alright. Bro, I'm willing to bet those are real eyeballs. Not in the game now. Bro. Now help me! Alright. This ba 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 bum bum. Yo, I swear. Alright, whatever. Bro, you got a problem, bro? Let me in, bro! What the f— Alright. Bye, guys. I'm gonna move for some watermelon. Don't ask why. Who's getting killed? It's a whole new world. And the first time in forever. Where are you running from? Bitch just fucked up my song, bro. Y'all is serious? Alright. Whatever. Okay, bro. Oh, thanks. I appreciate that. I heard a chainsaw over here. I actually don't know if I want to open it. Oh, never mind. I forgot the world changed. My bad. I forgot you could do that. Bye, guys. Uh-oh. Help me! Oh, we ain't going in there. Help me! Oh! Help me! I just noticed my cursor was a crucifix. That's crazy. Oh! Wait, that's actually cool. Okay, I just pressed new game and I'm here. I was ready to play through the whole... I'm not ready. I was ready to play through the whole game again. What if you just walk past that door, though? Alright, what if you, like, don't... Let me get a close look at this man. Let me in! Dumbass. 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 Oh! Oh! I can't go. Help me! He's not even coming. He's coming! I'm getting the good ending. I don't care, bro. I'm not dying this time. Oops. I'm not dying this time. You know what? No, never mind. We're opening this door? Oh, wait, what? Bye. Yes. Yeah! You dumbass. You dumbass. Okay, go. Wait, hold on. Close this door. Oh! He's going in there. Bye. No, I said, let me in. What is he doing? He goes in there. Watch me walk into him. No, he goes in there, which is bone tactic. And then what? Does he come this way again? No, he goes back that way, like a loser. Bro, let me out to heaven, bro, please. Oh no, you're not going in there, right? Oh, shit. Loser, go. Let me off. You literally can't go back up there. You have to die. I don't want to die though. Sometimes. Oh. Wait, this door. Whoa! Are you like blind or something? What did you say? Bye. What if I go this way then? Well, I'm so dumb. There has to be something. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, but when you turn right, but when you turn right here. What the hell? Hi. You're a dumbass. I hope you know that. Like, bro. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Alright. It was a very interesting game made by. Yeah, alright. I don't even know how to do outros. I don't do outros or intros. I just normally quit the game. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, it was